Hi all. Today I want to talk to you about the second Panchakarma treatment, and it's called the Virechana, the purgation therapy. And this is actually a cleansing program and cleansing process that which mainly works on the digestive system, which is the very important system in our bodies, and mainly, especially the liver and intestines. And in Ayurveda, it also helps to remove excess pitta, which is the fire element in the body. When pitta becomes too much, we might feel things like acidity, skin rashes, anger, frustration, or even loose motions. So this treatment, Virechana, helps to release that heat and brings back balance. Before the actual cleansing day, we also need to prepare the body. So this usually means taking ghee, this clarified butter, internally for a few days and doing some steam therapy to loosen the toxins and bring them into the stomach area. Then on the Virechana day, we take a special herbal purgative, the purgative herb. It could be something like triphala, senna, or castor oil, depending on your body and what the practitioner recommends. And it makes you go to the toilet a few times, but not in a painful or scary way. It's a process that helps the body to let go of deep stuck heat and waste. So after the cleansing, people often feel lighter, clearer in the mind, better skin, obviously better digestion. After Virechana, we eat very simple food, like throughout the Panchakarma, you will eat very simple food, like rice, soup, or dal, and rest well, so the digestion can become strong again. It is not just about cleaning the body, it's about bringing more peace, balance, and lightness inside. So this is Virechana, the second treatment in Panchakarma. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for listening. I'll share more about the next treatment soon.